SMT Nation, we back nation. We got updates out of AT&T networking. They claim to be the first, industry first company to do this. And that is called RedCap, a feature that's supposed to be, something that I guess would improve power consumption. I mean, when I think about the RedCap, last time we looked at this feature, it was in regards to AT&T and one of the things that they were going to be doing with the iPhone for helping with battery life and battery savings for power efficiency. So this is interesting. We got like kind of the second piece of news on this. Obviously, for a consumer, if you have IoT devices, if you have, in the case of like an iPhone, which is a majority of cell phone users in North America, you could really use some power savings on your 5G devices. They're pretty power hungry. Let's learn about this today. Let's take a look at the items from the press release from AT&T and let's see what it means to us. All right, I'll be sure to link this for you in the description. There'll be a link. Also, a link to the Real SMT Buy Me a Coffee link. If you want to support your creators directly, that's one way to do it. You can do it with other things as well. They're all in the description. And if you're looking for a really good deal on wireless service, you can get it from our partner, Mint Mobile. You guys know the Fox. Can save you a lot of money. Use our partner link, mintmobile.com/Sneed. Save the ducats, get their legendary customer care, and you'll be helping out the channel. And it looks like the promotional pricing for the depletion promo is still active using our link. So check them out. And just so you guys know, if you've got eSIM, the eSIM switching is super easy. If you got a physical SIM, they'll ship one out very quickly. Really nice transition process. All right, so AT&T working with Nokia, MediaTek, amongst other vendors in developing the 5G reduced capability, or what's known as RedCap, working on this feature. They just completed the first data call in the US. All right, so AT&T completed that data call in the lab and in the field on live 5G standalone networking core. Okay, so this is going to be kind of like a step moving forward. I think this kind of means basically we're not too far off. If they're doing it in the lab and they're doing it on the commercial network, that means we're close. So RedCap, sometimes known as NR Lite, is a reduced set of 5G capabilities intended for devices like wearables, low-cost hotspots that have low battery consumption, lower cost bill of materials, lower bandwidth requirements, and those types of things. All this, of course, I don't know if you guys have heard of REL 17. All right, these are the 3GPP standards. If you keep up with these things, it's probably one of the features that you may have identified. RedCap, designed for devices currently served by LTE Cat 4, provides equivalent or better performance with up to 150 megabits per second theoretical max downlink throughput. The tech can help reduce complexity, cost, and size of 5G devices. So you could see how the application for IoT makes sense. Now, with respect to the iPhone, that would be huge because it would basically put it into a low power consumption mode, or with that capability, maybe when you put it in low battery mode, or low power mode, when you hit that 20% mark and you got to make it through a couple more hours of usage, or you're not going to get near a charger, those types of things. Additionally, some other features being worked on here, wake up signal, or WUS, early paging indication, PEI, and then PDCCH monitoring adaption. So this is pretty cool stuff. I guess we'll put this on the shelf for now, and we'll see when this makes its way to any type of new hotspots or other IoTs. And I think it coming to the iPhone would be kind of welcoming. I will tell you guys, the 5G does chew up some battery life. Tell me if you're excited about this, and whether you got a Galaxy or a Pixel or an iPhone, I think we would all welcome this. Tell me about your battery life on 5G, and if you kind of wish it was better. And have you ever compared it to LTE? I know I have. LTE seems to last a little bit longer throughout the day. But what say you? Sound off in the comment section below. You all, the voice of the people, the SMT Nation. Let your voice be heard.